Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know say tax with there in a place, is it me? Yeah man, Talk Up TV one YouTube channel. We there do the right thing, is it me? Yeah man, we are putting in the work. More why you know say we post on time, at just time and schedule and everybody have things to do, but we love what we are see, we love how people them support the thing, you see me? And I like and I share and I comment. You just tell a friend to subscribe to the thing and share the thing. And we there we are do the right thing, so just do the right thing on your side, you see me?
Pain. Yes, so I go on. You see dirty boy chop lad. So I'm pregnant from when the boy don't give me no money or nothing, you know. And I see him. Alright, see I'm ready now. Three months pregnant for a rest. Oh, I'm a man who have the money and all these things.
Yes, man. So as soon as we get in all of them money.
Yo, dad, we can't miss you. We can't miss you. Yo, hide me. Hide me.
On the back.
Oh my Lord. Oh Lord. Hey, it's a chop lad. Hey, it's a chop lad.
Yeah, man, you go
Pregnancy now. Impregnate me. Impregnated me. And he need to get my penny maintenance and somebody. Last cup pampas money. And then somebody. Which part
right
can go?
through this, man. Right through
Can't
this.
go through this, son.
Just go through bush and go by gully.
Look for him. Follow me now.
Wow, no. She gone, man.
You gone?
Yeah. I'm gonna get yourself in there, man.
Every week she want baby, if you want money and baby pampas.
Every week.
Every week.
And the baby in the barn.
And in the bottom, I scam me.
So she do the pampas them last week.
I don't know. Have you hide me if you hide from him?
God. What you must say?
Yeah.
There's a tax back in that place,
Oh,
man.
for me boy tax?
Yes, man.
Right, man, the man use the rum street red.
Then dip him, man.
Hey, dip him?
in him, you know.
No, you can't call him and dip him my youth.
I don't me call it.
Who call him so? A taxi name.
That me here.
No, that name
is. Yeah. Why they have a place better than even $1?
I go the out, you know, man.
No, go on film still.
No worry yourself, man. Things are going on, man. I go link him. I have to go link him. You say, don't at your place?
Don't at my place. No bring no jam over there, though.
I go link him, man.
Alright.
Go do it right, you know.
Can't wash, I'm coming, but
Can't wash.
I'm not seeing nobody, so I'm going to move. Eh?
Alright, so let's come in.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright.
Sister, you that? Sister, you that? Oh Jesus, I have something to tell you.
You look so tired, exhausted. What happened?
Not what? The chap like me, I look for from when he got me impregnated me. And from when he not even give me, I run him down all over there. So
You see, I be stressed. Look here, come on out, my son. I can't deal with this.
No, me stay around here.
No, me say come out.
No, me stay around here. Oh, Jesus.
What excitement. Me I go around. No, sir.
I sexiness. You know, say first me I see you not to do.
I'm like, you're not come from yesterday.
You know, so I just step back in my place.
That's so where are you name?
You know, so you call me tax still, isn't me?
Oh.
Yeah, man. To say first, me I come back in a place and buck up in here, me feel very lucky, you understand?
Talking truth.
Yeah,
A
man.
jackpot you lick.
Yeah, hey, I've been a gambling about boy.
Boy.
I've been lucky day today.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, you can just talk for you, look, man. Just go over this and, you know. We have to know you look more, you understand?
Yeah, man, because son are going with
Son and
himself.
bun, we don't want that happen. So, you live close by?
Yeah, I live up at Egimori. Everybody know Egimori. Big house around this.
Alright, you know the question I ask you right now.
What's the one now?
You're single, not you?
I'm dating.
You're dating.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you see as of now, you're not dating, you understand? But that's why you just make me the one, you understand?
So, you can't do, you have to post and say you want master. You can't just be the one, so.
Just give me a chance, man, and see what can go on, you see?
Alright, so which part around I say you come from?
You know, say, when I'm there right now, I want my friend just to give me a cut, so I stay there for a while. But right now, as I said, I just touch back in a place, I'm not really settling or anything, and nothing go on yet. But I can show you where I live, man. What you say, I forward?
Alright, yeah man, may I go up the road this so we can take a chat down.
Alright.
So old a bit?
30.
30. I look like hard life a patrol I used to. 30.
I live that part too, but I just struggle, you know? Much still about.
So, what really happened to you? I did them the hour.
Me talking, I don't know nobody.
I don't know nobody is. Subscribe. Boy, she full father.
I just say thing down here, you see me, I don't know much, but alright, that's somebody if you know, you understand?
So really in here so you sleep? Every night?
The circumstances I'm in the right as of right now.
You this a savage, nah lie. It's a real savage. That
Oh, come over here, sir.
Jesus, you so feel wet.
Yeah, man, right there, so you know, the roof a leak still, but you see, because I'm not to pay no money or rent or anything. You understand? So just sit on the side.
God almighty, what are we?
Yeah, man.
You can't live so.
Yeah, it's so for real.
No, sir. So what's really happened to you? What happened to you? What going for you? What happened to you? Where you really a live so?
I never did really want to tell you this, you know, because I don't want you to look for me differently, you understand? But honestly, I deport me get deport.
Mind tell me, man. Mind tell me. But nothing really wrong with that, you know, because me have right now me and my uncle where they get deep already and in come around, things happen for him and I like there's I know like you know there's life after everything. You understand? Your life not done so.
Yes, it must be a miracle or something.
That you say.
So, yeah, man, because
I say go man.
as me drop in at the place, I say, yo, the place just look away and I not see nothing beautiful and bright and, you know. But let me see you just glow and, you know, light up my life. You understand? So, I know you're not comfortable yourself, but I have a try do little things.
Yeah, man,
things.
something have to be done to this.
You understand?
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself.
Things.
You don't worry yourself. Me got you.
They got me.
Me got you.
Because I'm not work and I'm going to try.
Me say me have your back.
Yeah, me back.
Trust me. You say you feel like say it's a good thing come to you. Well, really and truly, I want good thing come to you.
Alright.
Don't worry yourself, man. We're going to sort out things little by little. You understand?
Alright.
Here.
I don't know if you thank you still, you know.
You don't thank me yet, man.
You thank
You don't thank me yet, because you don't know where I'm going.
Alright, come show my little fan of person.
What kiss me? How about that there?
I'm a little fan.
What that can do to your house?
You can't cool. You just put it on your face and
You me can't bother with it. No, sir. You really have to. No, sir. You have to do better than it. You cool.
You cool, man. I tell you, I only think the people them me left with it.
What that there?
I'm stove.
Your stove? This I can't cook pan. What is that? Where you have this in our house? Somebody really have
I'm gonna cook with them now. You know what?
Yeah,
Our man just see me piece of
listen
stove
to
and
me.
buy one new one and he give me the one
Listen,
there.
that look like a something that look like a thing can't cook pan. That thing was cylinder. Oh God, man, that no look good, you. Me just remember we have one show down around our back, you know. No worry yourself. You not even look like you cook. Me don't know how you live. What kind of lifestyle is, man?
Yeah, man. Me there, man. Me still there, man. You have money right now, man. You can't go lick me. Boss, me not go nowhere. Me there, yeah. You didn't me there, then come in and you come then. Come there, me not go nowhere. I'm there, step on the front right us down then. Alright. Do you do?
Why? As me say, maybe I'll find your family, everybody up on a hunt, you understand? So, maybe I expect say somebody that rally back and help me.
You never said that money down here, man. Everybody can wicked stuff. Something wrong.
Why? I just trust, you know. I never move for trust.
Don't worry yourself. Me know where you live now. So anything fi go on, me I come right to your foot, come link you and sort you out. Cause if me fi stay here so, big man thing, if me fi stay here so. Lord Jesus.
Hey, I know
You know,
nothing
so?
more, but
Me I start out things. Me I get some nice little curtain now, sit now come put up in here. You understand?
you know, people like you still there.
People like me still there.
No,
Just
God,
guess
no.
what you have to do for me. Just to try this me in a no way. And just know say you me and you 50-50 straight out. You see me?
50-50.
Yeah.
Like when everything cool off. Cause
Yeah,
right now, you know, me not nothing push right now.
You just give me your love that much more I want. And your trust and your loyalty. You understand? Me no want nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. And you, nobody can make me hate you but you. So what you know? Just do the right thing, you see me? I go step out, you know. So where you depend?
I'm there, as me say, some of them. Just go and
Alright, so where all you want to eat all like a tonight? Cause that the stuff they don't find out.
Rough it out, you understand?
I look forward to
Out there with a face long down. Try to make sure you have my rent, you know. I'm going to move up somewhere, you know.
yeah, what me forget? Pass it. So let's shoot and everything we have this month, you know. Things are hard and not go on.
No, man, I not play that game. I see what you have
Give
there.
myself. One on the master.
Hold on, them, man. Let me see this, man.
Alright, just go and wait at home place, yeah? Alright.
Not go on.
Hold on, back on this side. Hi, hello.
Hi.
Yeah, look, room.
No, not really, you know what I say? You run this so I go look for.
Oh, my deported cousin. You know nothing about him, you know. Right now, he didn't even own a place and I take him out. So if you want to do room.
No man, that's alright. Me and him go talk further, so me come back and link him, so you understand?
We talk tomorrow.
Alright, see
I
you
talk to him and arrange up the room for you.
No man, I don't need a room. I'll be staying with him.
Mama money too. Mama money.
That's why you can't have the money because all I practice them as I come and see
You
them.
find me money, give me so I can take care of myself and take care of woman.
Oh, so you don't know man, but you want to take care
You
of
try
it?
to find my money by later.
That's why
I
you
step out the
pop
things
them in
out of
the
the
money.
place,
No.
and take up that out of my yard. Have my money by later, I left out of my place.
Yes, man!
Hello.
Alright, what I got on there?
Good morning.
Morning. I want one pan here. See if you have nothing for me there. I tell you.
Okay, stay right there, sir.
Ah, boy. Okay. How you go now?
3,100.
Alright. So, guess gone. Alright. Respect.
Me can't care for you, you know. Me I give me number. Next time you want to guess, I can call your number there, here.
Alright, thank you.
Man,
That
me
not
care
sound
for you. Where
bad.
you live?
Of course, right up at Eggy Murray, big house, so everybody know Eggy Murray.
Alright, me I drop off if you're here. Alright.
Thanks. Morning. May I take a picture here? Yeah. Alright. So look like I. Alright. So ito.
can help me with the bag. Where you go?
Where you go them there?
Down the top. The gas man left the gas up there, so see if I can carry come for me too. Thank you. You know what I do without it.
The party!
Put my drain out of the bag there in my youth. Careful what you do.
The party! Lipe!
Stop calling him so I don't dip him name. Stop.
To me, you learn that I was calling Lipe, you don't know when.
I'm not saying name.
I call him, so forget it.
Tax!
Lipe, yeah, Lipe, what am I Lipe? Lipe, you get gross, can't talk to you again.
Come sitting, man. How about you?
I'll leave Lipe. Come on, Lipe.
See that?
Sister. Look at you.
Later, man. Let me back later. Here?
Guess what? I have been a sister.
I know, man. I know everything, though.
Lipe.
Ah, boy. So, what go on?
Yeah. Get used to it now, man. Hey. It's a bag full of grocery too.
What you mean? When I tell you that I come through, I want me. You never believe in me.
I can't laugh for a month.
That true?
Yeah, man.
That means you not cook then?
I cook now, man. I gotta start cooking now.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
See,
Start-
gas there sitting.
Yeah, man. See, man. So, you come on more often now?
Me, I plan to carry my stuff and come on and come spend some time, man.
Not carry much, you know, because you see the place already.
But me don't set up in. Me tell you, me buy some curtain or something.
Alright. Good, man. Alright,
Yeah,
so.
move on, we do.
I'll cook this evening. Why? Yeah. Still can't believe it? Still can't believe. Still can't believe.
Or yourself, man. There are brighter days ahead. Trust me. That's just the start.
Cha-cha.
When I tell you what happened to my uncle, my youth,
Yeah.
I tell you, and that the man that did dip on him face, and you wouldn't believe what come around. Big time. You know? Man no dead, no call him dopey.
True.
Anyway, me might have to go up on the road, you know, so. Yeah. Now I give you a little thing to keep a pocket there. Alright, here. Right, Miss Matty over there. Why? A drama. Oh Lord, it's the deal. Oh my Lord. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Sis. Oh. Sister. It's like a long for you now. What's your? I'm thirsty. Oh God. Yeah, I'm not going to drink. Okay, drink. Take a minute. I'm a little drink all if nobody will.
Oh, the dirty boy chop like me gonna run down on this, so. Already done kill a week.
Where's the
Jump on car.
Where's the happening? What really happened with the animal now?
Obviously, let's see what happened. I'm pregnant. You're supposed to do something and for when you run him not do nothing. When make him not do nothing, what make man not like do what him for do? You know up in the maintenance there and something? Sure.
Have mercy.
It's a
You want
pity.
this a little problem, man, yeah? Eh?
It's a
I'm
pity.
feel for
No,
you.
no, I do don't like them type of people that they treat people bad.
I family where you gonna put anyway,
3 months.
So
So what gonna happen now?
Why there is
Sometimes
some
feel
going
like
on
the head
with
water
me
go
too.
broke.
You don't want too much agony, man. Calm down. Calm down, man. You
Can't manage him, man. Me can't manage him. I need to do something better than that. What make him
You
not
think say
talk to
something
him? Then you
human
talk to
being?
him, then no. But you know, him did know how he get pregnant. Him did know.
That's true.
Him did know. I pressure you want me to have and reach a high risk clinic.
Yeah, need to start out him, man.
Jesus, this time my pelvic bone now go up and up or something cause no Jesus, the baby stiff up.
You really need what? You need to go lie down.
Oh Jesus.
You need to go lie down.
Oh my mom.
Sit down and rest your back. Rest your back.
Rest me. Oh.
You just pregnant, you just reach 3 months and I got lungs already and you don't reach nowhere yet. Eh?
It's a wicked baby father, it's a deadbeat dad.
Eh?
He's a deadbeat dad.
If you just reach
I am not going on no more. I'm not going on no more. I would have gone to spring and fight.
Look here, 3 months.
I just be back up or something when time I go over because I can't manage them and stress by myself. I'm going to pick up my baby father. You have to go help me search for him and find him because Chaplain have to do something about this. You not leave me so I'm standing by myself.
They have a place with that, don't I, sir?
Blood not been a single period.
They have a place with that, don't I, sir? Me dear.
What
We can't
else
come
me?
into that. Right now, me and
Yeah,
some
follow me go
man.
down there. Me see you on JP man summons in a night. So me have to go catch him.
Anyway, me have.
Can't manage him. Chaplain, I have to do something better than that.
Well, may I tell you something different that going to me right now. Me always a mix up with the wrong set of man them like you, but it look like God really turned the table this time.
Why?
It's not go on to me. Me meet one little man, you know. He name tax me. I don't know if you know him cause him say him just come back in our place and all these things. But them call him DP. He live round now.
DP, somebody come to the name there.
Girl. It's like how you're you're good. No, you're good uncle down there, so.
No,
wait,
man.
Wait. Tap it eyes. Your good uncle when they foreign and come back and then left, kick him out of the big them country. I same thing happened to him. So him just have to start all over again. Anyway, you know, so me get me the partner draw other day.
So you help him with it.
So you know, say, oh God, you know me stay. Anyway, me buy one little stove, buy little things. Me I go down and go stay, spend little time. Me tell you that house here too. What you think?
And I go down and feed me the whole time.
Then me not go help him start over. We are go.
So you know want to start over?
Me want to let go of a certain things right now. Me need new energy. Me need better. It doesn't matter what you name.
Alright.
It don't matter what you name.
What is that?
And a real name. A nickname that. Look what nickname you have.
Oh God. I want to start this one.
You
Yes, you can breathe.
leave him. Me say, me sorry you are quick dog.
Quick dog, my food. You see, I'm quenching me up.
Oh God, you need to sweat off your foot.
Right, quenching. Set me apart, set me in one spot.
You get to settle down, because you see you now, you're too hot, man.
I mean, see a chop and him chop me.
You get chop out.
Well, I'm gonna lie down, you know. Sun hot as daylight.
Alright, and I'm go rest yourself, man.
When I come here, I go snap and take picture of my baby.
You go along. I can't live like you, no dear. It's so forwarding still.
Epe! Yo, man, let's have top can some of youth.
Yo, I told me I make what?
There, man.
Yo, listen. I'm cutting up because you know, that landlord boy is going to catch me back and say no. I'm thinking my thing and so I move. You understand?
You really are going, my youth?
Yeah, man. Yo,
So, everything that you have,
yeah, man, but me have to rest around this stuff. You can get them with me.
you can give them a feel.
Yeah, man.
Alright, brother, let's go.
Later, yeah?
Alright, yeah, man.
Ready. Oh. Running through. Sure. You left this a problem right now. What this man every day this a sit and give me problem. Sure. Where you left, man?
Huh?
Yo. Where you left, man? Where you left?
Where you going?
Watch TV.
You can't stay in the yard.
I mean, stay in the yard.
I have to watch Netflix. You don't know, so I have to watch Lifetime something then.
So I'm not tell you, so I have the pen mission they on.
Which mission that?
Well, I have to go look for such man.
Such man who?
You don't know anything already.
Dippy.
Okay, I hate when you don't do this.
Sorry.
Just
Anyway,
stop
me
for
for
that now.
So, when you go on date, can't come. I look belly full enough.
You alright, Mark. So you
Belly not full enough. My belly not full enough.
You stay in the yard, I come here. Do you ready now?
Me have to come meet him?
Of course. Wouldn't you like to?
Yes, I would love to meet him.
Come on then.
I gotta try at these things.
Please.
Oh, me I go through my
Kiba.
chance
Kiba, your mouth.
and tribulations.
Kiba, your mouth.
Alright.
Ladies,
Come on, love.
Ladies might see a trouble on their way.
Let's go. I'm better sit up for me and just rub it.
Yeah, what's happening? Hey.
Hey, what's up?
Hello.
Wow, you look good today, girl.
I see.
Blue, you know, be a flower, me I say.
Let me wait. But can't my sister here meet already?
Good evening.
Yeah.
I heard about you.
What about me?
Yes.
The big sister, which one?
Oh, me a bigger one.
The bigger one, the little sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, go and hold it in the for tomorrow for a bird and thing.
Yeah, okay, nice. I like it.
So you don't have any friends?
Why you stop reading no man here?
Nobody not asking know that.
You got that start show. Here?
Don't listen to her. We just eat some food so I can feel food for them.
This is not good.
Well, you know, I want to say about long time
This is not the time to force anybody. Anyway, get serious.
Yeah.
I hope you treat my sister nice.
What about the best? What about the best treatment?
Because some things are going on in this area right now, you don't know what going on, you know. You have to make sure you see a go on.
Here it
Make
comes.
sure.
Here
You hear me say?
Yeah, man, everything good.
Right.
You don't have to worry about that, man. Everything good, man.
You thought you deal with my sister alright and everything. My treat you good.
Everything good.
You see
Everything
me
good.
around? Just
You know how me stay already, you know, say you know.
we're not ever really get too close yet.
We
So.
say Ben Laden. Yes, Ben Laden. You hear me say the word?
Let's
I don't want you to go to this academy. I don't want you to go to the academy.
Watch out. Every time you
You
come
sure
with
you
the
care
phone,
me?
it's
Where you care me for?
easy enough.
I'll let me tell you more.
Sure.
You do.
Hey, you're not for it. You're not for it. Don't worry about your sister. It's alright, man. Don't worry.
Alright, just make
She's
sure.
good. She's safe.
We,
Yeah.
as long as she alright, we will live good. We have a happy home.
Hey, man, she's safe. Man. You're not for it. Man.
You see? Problem.
Yo, fella.
Hey, me have to finish up the fire, man.
Alright. It's just a wait for you. Here, we are going underneath the tree.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Can't start the thing over here. Get down low. Boy, no look bad at all. Him well groom up himself and sitting.
What you saying?
Cause last time I come here, never did so hot, but I like it. It's an improvement.
I try to fix up your dippy style.
And I say every time.
I try.
So you chit chat and I go down stuff now.
You have to go and extern your half belly.
I'm not sure.
So you baby stiff up on me, remember a problem then.
Such man, I can't manage you and your problem. God knows.
Dippy. I just fix him, I try to fix up him dippy style.
Stop it now. It is a don't do it because I don't like it. And him really don't like it either. It come like you downgrade the man. Stop it now, you never want dip. Uncle.
I think we dip them bed or dip them, you know want dip.
It's alright, just free him up. Allow him.
Rather just go and eat
Allow
it
him,
straight.
allow me to do that. You know, business not a party. You understand?
Just know so when
You understand? If nothing further, you may come to.
Just know so when you go on the date, then me come in. I will pan the belly and come eat.
Jesus help
Because he
you.
must have some fine money.
I'm a lighter, you know, no lighter. Figure see a tap
Can't
smoke.
smoke.
Figure.
I'm doing something here.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Alright. Come, I'm ready to go open up. At night I come down. See now, I do nothing this evening. Now run out, pattern nothing. Just go home, go sleep, so.
Okay, the people go to KFC.
Him not have no money.
KFC. Baby.
Him don't
KFC.
have no money.
Say it.
Oh. Alright, problem.
You not ready for move?
No, you not see no come out yet. Yeah, run, go. You see you? And that with you now. You come from my timing. One come when me I go. And now me come spend time with. No, you go. No care. At you.
Say DP.
You know what? I go check for him. Yeah? Some come.
Alright. Check on DP.
I go lick out to your front teeth them. You. Hey, tax. You know, say, she a get miserable, you know, so right now, I go up because she a feel cramps and so me I go up.
So she, for joke?
I'm not lying.
Think of the joke, Sharon?
You're a little fan there.
Yeah, I'm going to cool out. Yeah, man, just do what I do, man. I'm going to circle back, isn't it?
Alright, me try it. Come back tomorrow or whatever I can. Tomorrow or later, I don't see what's going on.
Alright, yeah.
Alright. We can't leave her alone, you know, because I can't bother with PR straight for herself. Later.
Alright.
Come on, man.
You ready
No,
now?
you trouble behind me again. Never again.
DP let you go, like how they let him go come back out here.
Don't worry yourself about that, Nipa.
You come on. Come on. You come straight back.
Not away.
Cold foot. Cold foot. Bukuya. I can't move him. Pepe.
Hey, Nico,
What man? Wait. What cold foot there?
Man, go and find this man, man. Early this morning, man, move out and go back in the country.
Why me not like rent poor people replace them, you know? For me good room. Hey, I have to start paying me soon, you know?
Free, you know, me
You have
think
to
said,
start
man,
paying me
you
soon,
free,
man. Listen to me, I'm not long talking. So keep your fingers crossed and get something to do. Boy, cousin, what happened?
Walk along.
Oh man, like what I do with the place, you know, I just talk to the people about it a while ago, I like what I go on.
You just cut off of this dippy thing.
Tax man, that's how we run with you,
sick of
man.
it.
That's how we run with you.
And him don't like it either. And
I
just...
like, I show your family, because me and him just a laugh and a talk about some past and, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, so, thing, so like what your family and cousin, you can't give me a number?
No man, I can't bother with that, yeah man. I don't want the complication. I
No,
don't like family already.
you me that thing say, you know, while him there alone and you know him I go through him stress, you can take my number. I have a number of personal use, but like in any little emergency, you understand me? I and him there, I and him good like that. We cool. I know him not go have a problem with it. So if any little thing and you know, call me and make me talk to him and thing, we can come pick you up if any emergency. Excellent.
Okay.
Yes, man, nice, man. Comfortable seat, drop back like I said. Lord. So we can come pick you up if any emergency and carry to the tax. You know? So we just do it right away before.
Alright.
I'm there on a rush, you know, and thing. You know, see phone.
Alright. Just let me
put in it.
Yeah. Alright.
What your name?
So I did it. Camille, you don't right there.
Camille. Alright, take care of yourself. Here, I'm going to take care of my cousin.
Yes, man, and I like
continue to take care of place. I like what I go on.
Alright, then. Yeah, man. Take care of you.
Already, you know.
Alright, then. Problem. You know, drink, you know, smoke. You're a Christian. What about you?
You know, I'm a Christian. I just grew up. I grew up in a Christian home still, but before I catch 12 years out of church, you understand?
Jesus. So I'm glad that mama never attack you because you look like you didn't run off.
Oh man, the guy that shocks still enough to say your sister.
She a the rough one. Me don't know she stays and she a breed and she just can't keep for herself cool. All over the place. The man that the man did, she don't peace.
You look like I love you and we do.
Can't tell no lie. Man, could comfort this.
I will just there and hold this thing on.
So we not cook nothing.
You
got that home, I believe.
You say hungry?
Yeah, man.
Alright, maybe go to them and bring come. Look about something, you know, you see me?
Alright.
Ducks! Ducks!
How that?
What? What? Yo, me grab the trainer!
Yo, me never can have play. Yo!
No, say, Pio. Cousin there, tell me, say, you know, if you have me come give you a link.
Who that?
Dollars.
Dollars.
Yeah, man. You see when I walk car wash. See you good do. Man, God, be saying, man. So, how things?
Boy, I will pass him more until you know. But I just see things right now. Man's inside. So let me just introduce you to
Hello.
man. You see me?
How you doing?
Man, but
I thanks for you know. Alright.
No better me just yo.
Man,
How much here now? 6 here.
6! 6! I be a problem. It's all over, so.
Yo, brother, yo.
I tell you.
Yo, I didn't do it, brother. You remember that time that?
Remember, 10 years I can't forget.
can't forget how much you want to chat. Nothing else to steal anymore. You remember them 2 girls they were there for run from over here because your father come.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, one of them a drive one axe you. The next one I work at hotels, so then good.
I'm good.
You see me? Film wanted breed.
See you want to breed?
Yeah.
I know you breed though.
No.
It's sad that. Listen to my sister.
Yeah.
We're in there.
You know, so I don't know where they're in there right now, but they're in there about the place.
You see the sharp brown one.
Yeah.
You know, say if I'm go over some stop thing or whatever.
You see, me see her, you make sure you know, so you're in a place.
Yo, just keep it on the road.
Yeah, man.
Right now, I kind of have some business to deal with. As you see.
Yeah, me see, man.
You see what I want.
But guess what, I'm not confident too long, you know.
You
Just come, me come for link.
in the street.
Alright. Now see, Aaron, me call link you back on idea, yeah? Yeah, man.
You say, I want to call Brazilian this in a mama. You try to make you look good for my face.
Yeah,
man.
me give you a nice brush done. When them look on you, them can't go believe say I am the best in the way.
Make sure.
Best.
Try my face unique, so it must fit me though.
You have to
fit me.
fit you what you talking about.
Off outside without fear.
Yes.
Yeah, if you feel good, so your mother nice. So,
Yes.
not true.
Put you up.
Look good for good on my hospital.
Out and about, man.
So you brush down, alright, I know.
Yes, yeah.
You better make no fringy depanino.
No, stop.
Make you look nice. So mama, how go on now?
I'm there.
Come do me here, you know. The last piece of money this me I spend doing, you know.
So me gonna call the boy.
Man, chop off some money I find me now. Hope me really hope see a fee me. Me just go and chop until the baby born do.
Is right?
Yes, and the born when we do DNA. Him want do DNA if he find out. He just want hope and pray say he do. Just be sure say me I go and chop till the baby born. See me if you run down the boy way through round here so other day. Way through a place. Everywhere me have to run him down every time me see me every time me have to hide and I look for him. Me have to beg people to look if they see him. Me have to go.
What kind of man that?
I want one of Harry Potter stop me them where you video where you put over here will make you invincible. So you know see when me come in.
True.
Out of order. Chapel too wicked man. To mind me. And we unborn child. Why? Not even know now. Call him from when and get him try ring him back again. Nah, get him.
The girl that call me for man.
No, I'm team phone. Some money I run out now. I hope I fee him though. Hope I fee him this a baby. I know from when the boy give me some money and the boy not give me no money.
What a wicked boy, man. Call him, ring back. Not talk to the answer.
You wicked man.
Hello, what go on?
You can't give me some money right now again. You don't give me no money there, a little bit of money. That finish now.
My friend, the last let me give you some money. What more money you want again?
Alright. Me I see what go on. Cause you have to mind this Abelia. We will see what happen. Alright, you think Pitney easy if you take care of? Pitney not easy if you take care of. Pitney maintenance dear.
You see me and I run me down two places. Big man jump out, carry this. Supposed to make me broke my foot. But you better easy yourself, yeah man. When me get more money, me give you. Me don't have money now.
Don't bother pull me here so hard, you know.
Hush.
I said you ready for it?
Yeah, I want something now.
Alright.
Think you done a long time.
Man,
Well, I'm there wait.
just done now. It's good?
Give me no one much. Get out, me not like this, you know.
Go?
It's not good, man. A long time no get somebody cooking. Every time I have to cook up on my yard.
Alright, know what you say, man. Treat her like a queen, you know? Yeah.
I eat much still, you know.
You know easy. Call our girl, you know. He that cousin girlfriend, you know.
I see one day after one more.
He that deport there.
Shit. Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Come here.
Mm-hmm.
What one? You can't leave out the Sheffield. Hot new to Maguire.
Who this?
That's cousin.
Oh. No, sir, I can't come on bar right now. Where you can't come a bar for? Come on from my phone. But this man I come call me both come a bar for. He come like a son loose man. Nobody with the excitement, you know.
Ah, I know me I go do.
Watch out. He might call back again.
Camille, a joke me I make, man. You know say a tax. Right now I don't know what I'm to my emergency.
What you mean something happened to him?
What man between man, you have to come out of the store me and talk about. Because right now I'm going back, we don't know if I junkie jump. Come help me out with it.
Alright, what you say there? What you say there? May I come now?
You don't have one bar and set deal for you.
Alright, may I come? May I change my clothes and forward?
Right now, hurry up.
Alright. Jesus.
Yeah, lie, you know, brother. Lie what? Imagine how much lie DP tell her. Imagine how much lie him tell her. She good, man. Have a surprise for you.
The right thing, man, you know, you're with the grass.
Jesus Christ.
I go out that bar, I'm go for real, you know. You want? So far. Oh God! My buckle is syrup now, what? Tangerine.
Tanqueray.
Give me a shot of
You can't say good evening. You're not
Yes,
a man.
man, I hear you now,
I tell you, say one of young people, you see, man.
You know, it's not easy, you know. Sorry, boy. I'm at the give me the buckle of the
manners. Hold on, man. Take your time. Not frighten me. Not frighten me. Hold on.
I'm not rushing.
Tanqueray.
Tanqueray.
Right. Yes. And where you say water?
Yeah, I'm get the water and I'm going to drink. Buckle look good.
Water.
Right, now.
What kind of money this?
$5,000 bill, man. Let's don't you.
You come like you nasty, well, you're drunk.
How about it?
You come like a drunk, Rasta. You're drunk. You not see $1,000 this.
How about it?
Come in drunk. You not see $1,000 this.
1,000? I wrong money me take up, man. You know what I mean? Take care of you, man.
But at that you fi say, you can't just come through down that and come take big seats, so you mad? I'm like you want take big man feed that. Me not sell cheap liquor in here, my brethren. You don't know that already too.
Alright, sorry about that, my mistake.
Alright, cool.
Anyway, my cousin there, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, him back in her place, man.
Good man.
Yeah, man, the one of the overstays.
I'm glad to see you still. Glad to see you, because whole heap of youth for your age a drop out, you know.
Every day. So we avoid bad company, you know.
Keep up and take care of yourself.
Mm-hmm.
So what your cousin bring?
When him bring?
He not bring nothing.
Him bring it. When him bring? He even bring a pair of socks. A dip in get. Dip. Ah.
And I am help him.
Alright, me help him go, and now me help him in there.
Why not dip him, you know?
I dip, I'm tell you, say I dip in him. Next time you see him, make sure you have him money.
But you talk like him just come, so you talk say dip him get dip.
I get dip, man. Anyway, I come in and come meet a nice girl. Just go and act cool.
Okay.
Come here, what?
So when there? When there?
Come in, come in.
What do you mean, come here? Come where? Let me come really. You have to come and say, man, when there?
Forward, come in.
You mean
Let me show you
forward?
what.
Where really a camera go?
Just come now, man.
So what tax there? What you mean me come out all the way out there and tax there? What tax there? What you mean come here, brother? You know say them something get me ignorant and curry.
I know say
You mean I don't know say some me?
See you go do. Me send him home on a taxi.
Come like
You
say.
alright, man.
What you mean him alright?
Come
You
here,
mean
me
we
go
send
do.
him home for a taxi for?
Come now.
You know, see, I fully take my back. When you really call me up, you know, see, mash up all this. You think say a big can of friend for? You know, something like them or something. Yeah, one for you, so man. Me find my way to go on my yard. I could have woo you, man.
Association bad. I'm carry home.
Alright people, as I can see, we there edit up part 1 of Betrayal, isn't me? Yeah man. But I just want to make everybody know say the one ever epic, you understand? You just stay in tune, subscribe and share the thing because as we done job part 1, we're gonna start shoot part 2. You understand? So I want back at the next. We now go cut it and put in one next different movie like what we normally have to do because characters can or actors can did it when if we did it. Some of them more while you see me switch video and not continue with one series or one part 1 is just because certain actors me can't get them back to do part 2. But this one now me have some actors who are willing and able to go the long distance and the journey to make sure say yo we get this out. You understand? So just stay in tune man and look out for part 2. Hope you enjoy the one. Out.